Welcome to Hidden Syntax Code. Today, we are going to teach you how to use Python code to find for your time and date. Please, kindly take time for us to teach you. In case you miss any of the steps, please check in the description and download the code. Okay, so let's continue. So before we start, we will import our datetime class from our datetime module. So you type from datetime import datetime. Okay, so when you finish, we are going to create a variable that is going to retrieve our current date and time. So our variable name is going to be current date time. So you assign it to your date time dot now. So you bring your equal sign and you type date time dot now. You bring your bracket open and close. So when you finish, you go to the next line and you want to display the current date and time. So you type print bracket open. So inside your bracket open, you come and type your variable name. So our variable name was current date time. So when we finish, we want to display our current date time in a string format time. So we are going to see the name of the month, the year, and the time, whether PM or AM. So you will type dot string format time and you bring your bracket open. So inside the bracket open, you bring your double quote and you type date. So you want to display the date first, and when you finish, you bring your percentage sign and you come and type capital A and you bring comma, and after that you come and type your percentage symbol again and you type capital B. So when you finish, you bring another comma. So we want to display the day of the month. So you type your percentage sign again and you come and type small d and you bring your comma. And again, we want to display our current year. So you type your percentage symbol and you type capital Y and you bring comma. So after that, we come and type time. And our time, we want to display our hours, minutes, and seconds. So you will type your percentage symbol first and you come and type capital I and you bring your column. So when you finish, you want to display our minute too. So we type your percentage symbol and we type capital M and you bring your column. And after that, we want to display our current seconds. So we type your percentage symbol, and you bring your capital S to display it. And after that, you want to display whether AM or PM. So you type percentage symbol again, and you type small p, and you close your double quote, and you come and close your string format time bracket open, and after that you close your print bracket 2. So when you finish, you will save it, and after that you run it. So you see your current date and time will show on your PC screen. Please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for us. Thank you very much.